tricky, he could have played this whole thing out. So you are now the crucifier of our Christ. Congratulations. Okay. And here's and you have a very important role. Now, we need an evidence bag. Let me see. Where's my evidence bag? That's where your evidence. Okay, so here's the final trick. Crucifier of Christ. I would like you to pick one of those nails, whichever one you want.
Yes, special.
Yes, take one out. All right, you want this nail. Go ahead and put your initial right ahead of the nail. Now here's what we're going to do. Instead of nails in the hands and nails in the feet, the tricky thing is we're going to put a nail right in the middle of my face. Now this nail is 4.5 inches long. Our investigator here is going to collect evidence at the very end. Are you ready? Are you ready? Nail in place. Now don't try this at home. Whatever you do.
Oh my God.
What are you supposed to do?
Go, man, take it back.
Okay, hold on. Nail in the face. There it goes. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, that hurt. Oh my, I gotta finish for the show. Okay, now you would think that the people wanting to crucify Christ would be like, hell yeah, I'll put a nail in his face. That's like so much cooler. And now I would tell you the necklaces will look different. Like you wouldn't have necklaces like this, you'd have like earrings, right? One on each side. So here's what we need from CSI. Ready? Who are you? Who? Okay, your job. There's evidence on here. I didn't switch the nails. We know who the guilty party is because he put his initial right here. You need to remove the nail. That's your job. You have another glove. You need to put it in the evidence bag. Grab it. Come on, you can do it. Let's give her a hand. Oh my gosh. By the way, I have allergies if I sneeze. Duck. Okay, ready? Oh my God, so slow. No. That is your souvenir.
Oh my God.
Let's give her all a hand.